The Community Foundation of South Alabama has been Southwest Alabama's trusted partner for more than 40 years. Several months ago, when this nation was thrown into uncharted waters by the COVID-19 pandemic, we knew that action needed to be taken to protect our citizens. When Governor Kay Ivey announced an official state of emergency in March, leaders in the Mobile community anticipated that COVID-19 would have a serious economic and social impact on the region. The Community Foundation of South Alabama, in coordination with the City of Mobile, acted quickly and announced the activation of the Mobile Area Disaster Relief Fund in response to the COVID-19 pandemic.
The Community Foundation brings research and data to us as leaders to educate us as well as the general public about the issues that we're facing. They are the creator of community conversations, and for us to solve some of the challenges that we have, we got to make sure everybody's voice is heard, and that's what they're good at, and that's what's going to solve our problems.
Thanks to the Community Foundation of South Alabama's grant, the Salvation Army of Coastal Alabama has been able to feed hundreds of our most vulnerable citizens every day. Because of your help, we are still continuing to serve those who have nowhere else to turn.
We established the Mobile Area Disaster Relief Fund to support programs that provide resources and basic needs to those in the Mobile community impacted by COVID-19. With the support of generous donors and key leaders, 12 organizations in Mobile County received funding.
With the funding, we've distributed food to 30 mobile pantries and provided 150,000 pounds of food to 3,000 households. We are so thankful for this support from the Community Foundation of South Alabama to help us feed children, families, and seniors in Mobile County.
The foundation serves 8 counties across Southwest Alabama, and we were determined to assist these communities as we all have been affected by COVID-19. We established the COVID-19 Response and Relief Fund to combat the serious effects of the pandemic and provide support for relief efforts to aid those affected by COVID-19 in Baldwin, Choctaw, Clarke, Conecuh, Escambia, Mobile, Monroe, and Washington Counties. During this grant cycle, 15 additional organizations received funding in an effort to address the critical needs of our communities.
Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, so many of our neighbors are experiencing unemployment and have recently lost their health insurance. It's because of partners like the Community Foundation of South Alabama who have stepped in and responded recently with a very generous grant to Victory Health Partners to enable us and equip us to meet the growing need. We are so grateful for their support as it provides life-saving health care, providing specialty care, primary care, medication assistance, counseling, and so much to our neighbors, especially during this time.
To date, over $500,000 have been distributed to organizations across our 8-county footprint, with the goal of addressing demands for help due to COVID-19. We focused on addressing critical needs such as food insecurity, medical supports, and housing and utilities stability. Local organizations in this region have a real boots-on-the-ground mentality, and they provide quality service to community members. The Community Foundation will continue to do its part in aiding communities and towns, cities and neighborhoods throughout our region. We thank our generous donors who give through this foundation to help advance our work and invite everyone to join hands with us. Your donations matter. Together we will overcome these unprecedented times. Together we will heal.